Hi, I am Ayushi Rawat and welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss the September Lead Code Challenge Day 7 problem, word pattern. Given a pattern and a string str, find if str follows the same pattern. Here, follow means a full match such that there is a bijection between a letter in pattern and a non-empty word in str. Now let's look at the examples. Example 1 says we have an input pattern ABBA and str equals to dog, cat, cat, dog. The output is true. Now let's understand the example. We have pattern ABBA, that is first substring should be equal to the last one and middle two should be the same. That is dog, cat, cat, dog. So it returns true. In example 2, the pattern is ABBA and string is dog, cat, cat, fish. Dog is not equals to fish. That's why output is false. In example 3, pattern is AAAA. That means in string we should have all same, but here we have dog, cat, cat, dog. So we'll return false. Example 4 says the pattern should be A, B, B, A and our string is dog, 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 dog. So it's false because it does not match the pattern. Notes: you may assume pattern contains only lowercase letters and string contains lowercase letters that may be separated by single space. One way to think about this problem is to have a single hash map, tracking which character in pattern maps to what the word in string. As you can scan each character word pair, we can update this hash map for characters which are not in the mapping. And if we see a character which is already in one of the keys in mapping, we can check whether the current word matches with the word and the character maps too. If they do not match, then you can immediately return false. Otherwise, we just keep scanning it until the end. But this type of check will work well for cases such as in example 1 and example 2. But it will fail for example 4 with string dog, 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 dog. There, in that case, it will return true, but the expected answer here is false. A fix for this is to have two hash maps, one for mapping the character to the words and other for mapping the words to the character, while we scan each character word pair. If the character is not in the character word mapping, in that case, we can additionally check if that word is also in the word to character mapping. If the word is already in word to character mapping, then we can return false immediately because it has been mapped with some other character before. Otherwise, we can update both mappings. If the character is in the character to word mapping, then we just need to check the current word matches with the word which the character maps to the character to word mapping. And if not, we can immediately return false. It will be more clearer to you once we start coding. So let's quickly dive into the code. The first one we will call as map cat and the second one I will name as map word. We will split the words and I'm using space as the delimiter here. Now if the length of words is not equal to the length of pattern, then we can return false. Now we can run a loop through pattern and words by zipping them. Now we will check for presence in mapchar and mapword. If this condition sets true, then we can immediately return false. Right? Otherwise, we will update mapchar and mapword. Otherwise, if C of mapchar is not equals to W, then we can immediately return false. Now let's run the code. Now let's try submitting it. And here we go. It's accepted. Please like and subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching.